Hey Riley, this is Mitch. Just going to shoot you that quick video that we talked about on Facebook with the 3 tips to get some more clients online. So we're going to talk about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. We're going to take a look at your website, and we're going to take a look at 3 of your competitors' websites and see how you can beat them and kind of get an idea of what they're doing to get all the traffic that they're getting. So we'll just get started with content. Google likes to see about 1,000 words of content on a home page. I see here that you do have a little bit of content, but definitely want to add some more content in that has the right keyword intent phrases, and we'll talk about those in a minute. Also, Google can read what you save your pictures as, so you don't want to save it as letters and numbers. You want to make sure that you're saving it as those keyword intent phrases, and that'll give you like a little edge to over your competitors. So we'll look at a couple. I looked in Woodstock for one, because I see that's the town that you operate out of. Just they have a lot of content here, and by the way that they're doing all of their linking and everything too, I would say that this is probably a lead generation website where basically someone built this to rank and then they sell the leads to another company, like yourself. I'd say that all of these that I found are probably lead gens. This is for, I guess, alpha pressure washing. Maybe they have 2 different websites for different locations. But I looked in Marietta and I also looked in Alpharetta because I saw that those were 2 towns that were very close to you. That I know Alpharetta is definitely in your service area. That has a lot of search volume. So you can see here again, they have a good amount of content. I'd say the first one has the most. So definitely want to take a look at that and see where they're getting all of how many words they have exactly on this page, and then you're going to want to beat that in terms of content. Let's say they have 1,500, then you're going to want 2,000 words on your homepage. This is the one in Alpharetta. Again, you can see they have a little bit of content here. So definitely need to up the content a little bit on your page in order to, beat the competitors. The next thing we'll talk about is backlinks. So all a backlink is a link from one website to another website. And when you link the websites, they're going to pass power back and forth. So not all backlinks are created the same. You want to go after those high power backlinks. On Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that I use, they rank a website's power with UR and DR. And you want these 2 numbers here as close together as possible and as high as possible. That's going to give you more powerful websites. So that way you can rank for all those keywords that you put into your content. We'll just take a quick peek here. So you can see that pressure washing Woodstock, they have 91 backlinks. Would like to see this number a little bit higher to be really powerful, but still not a bad website for the area and for the search volume. Marietta pressure washing, 197 backlinks. Again, like to see that number a little bit higher, but that is a pretty powerful website compared to the rest. And then Alpharetta pressure washing, it's a pretty good website there in terms of power. They have 376 backlinks. But the good thing is we can go in and take a look, see where they're getting all of their backlinks from, and then we can go after those same backlinks and get more than them. And then if it put them on the first page of Google, it'll put you there as well. Kind of give you an idea of what all that backlinking will do. We'll take a look at some keywords. So this column right here is going to be the search term on Google. This column right here is going to be the average monthly search volume. And this column is the KD, or the keyword difficulty. Just tells us how hard and how long it's going to take to rank for that keyword. It's ranked on a scale of 0 to 100, with 0 being the easiest and 100 being the hardest. So you want to go after those high volume, low KD keywords. You can see here, pressure washing Woodstock, Georgia is searched on average 20 times a month with a 1 KD. Right now you're on the 9th page for this. And you're on the 10th page for pressure washing Woodstock. We'll take a look at some of your competitors real quick, just to kind of show you what is out there when you expand a little bit. So this is going to be the Woodstock page, and you can see they rank in the first place for pressure washing Woodstock, and they're getting an average of 11 clicks a month just for ranking for that keyword. So that's pretty much it for the Woodstock one. It takes a lot of time to go through all your competition. You know, he ranks for 52 different keywords. We'll take a look real quick at Marietta. So you can see here, pressure washing Marietta gets an average of 300 searches a month. It has a 4 KD. This website's in the first place, and they're getting an average of 99 clicks a month off of that keyword. Now, if you add pressure washing Marietta GA, change the search term up a little bit, there's 250 more searches on average a month. Again, with a 4 KD, they're still in the first place, and they're getting 98 clicks a month. Deck cleaning Marietta, Georgia, 100 searches a month at a 0 KD. That's the kind of stuff that you want to target right there. So you can see here that for each of the different cities that you service, obviously the larger cities are going to have larger search volumes. So that's the keywords that you're going to want to put on your into your content, push the backlinks to it so that we start to rank for them. You can see here, pressure washing Alpharetta, 150 searches a month. Deck cleaning Alpharetta, 30 searches a month. Buford, Georgia is in your service area, 30. Cumming, Georgia, 50. So really it just takes time to go through all of your different service areas and then pick out the keywords that will work for you and where you want to service, and then start ranking for those keywords. The last thing we'll talk about is citations. So if you were to search, pressure washing Woodstock, Georgia right here, you're going to see this little map pack pop up. And in order to rank in the map pack, you want to make sure that you have your Google My Business completely optimized. So as many reviews as possible. You want more pictures than everyone else. And then also they're going to give you 750 characters for a description. I'm not seeing them even using any of their description. They're going to give you 750 characters for description right here. They're probably pretty close to that maxed out. You want to have it as maxed out as possible. Basically, if Google gives you a spot for information, you want to fill it out to the best of your ability. And once you have that completely optimized, you can go after citations, and all that is name, address, phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. Those are going to be like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and there's hundreds that you've probably never even heard of. And a lot of times they're also going to give you a spot for a backlink as well. So you can not only work on your citations to rank in the map pack, but you can also start ranking for backlinks, so that way you can start ranking organically in the search engine. If you have a question about any of this or you need help implementing any of it, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help.